Hi guys, welcome to Muddy Weekender 2023.
Let's go! Right, that was Muddy Weekender 2023 and the car has survived. Well, good luck to us on the drive home because that's the ultimate test, isn't it? We haven't been above, what, probably 15 miles an hour all weekend.
First or second gear, and that's about it all weekend.
But yeah, epic weekend. Great fun with the car on both courses. Great company and special thanks to Warren, Shell, all of the Muddy Mods lot and all of the guys that were marshalling the course. Great people. Couldn't have done any of this without Muddy Mods. Thanks to their kit and everything, to be fair, and all of their skills and workmanship that goes into their kit. Because yeah, mud run, I definitely wouldn't have survived that without, guaranteed.
No, 100%.
But yeah, great weekend.
Yep.
Anything else you want to say?
I think you've covered it all. I think that'll do. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed the videos. Like, comment, subscribe, all that jazz. Instagram logo.
It's going to be, let's put it on the windscreen of the car.
Ooh,
yeah,
very
my
nice.
arm's starting to get tired.
Yes.
Yeah,
But
right, so yeah.
We'll catch you in the next video.
Goodbye.
Goodbye, everyone.